Arewa Mafia, the young K. For those who care to know, man, I'm doing just okay.
Baba baraka gani bane fa. Celebrity crush ina kenan. Akan yarinyan nan baba sai mutuwa. I swear.
Su wasa suke lokacin da muka fara
Rahama sadau.
Harkan wane da wane.
Kai waccan ba crush naka bace? Rahama sadau, daɗi na aiki a abroad. Gidaje biyu a Dubai, biyu a Lekki Island, motoci 3, Benza, kuma ina da BMW, kuma I will like it to be my Ina suke? Baba ina take?
Sunana Haris Mahmoud Bashir. I went ahead looking for my celebrity crush, but I couldn't find her. Naje North, West, East, South, but I couldn't find her. Naje Kano, Kaduna, Lagos, har Sydney, just in search of her. I went to different places. Restaurant, shopping mall, kasuwa kai, har business centers. Wasu suka ce ma na hauka ce. But I don't give a screw, because I could do anything because of her. Sometimes I'll be like, what's the important with me being in the world? Kase me? Zuwa na yepa Instagram, naje social media no posting. Anybody that could help me find her, I'm going to give that person $500. But still, nobody ever come true. I just decided to kill myself.
Baba na ganta fa.
Aina! Bag with the remix. These boys are my sons like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this.
Ina take?
On a futon, I'ma give it that penis. When it's just done, I'ma
Kai, wato marin da na maka bai ishe ka ba ko?
I'm still with the demons.
Boys.
So in siya miki suya, masa har ma da pizza.
Akan bindiga zan gudu? Da mai ATM ɗinka ne faɗi shi ne na cin baka. Ya haƙuri, Allah bar ku tare.
After party, party.